Okay, before we're going to sing happy birthday to the birthday celebrant, I would like to inform everyone of us that this afternoon at 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock tonight, we will be having a live band, the best band in
Ano bang available na fruit shake?
One po ma'am. Watermelon, banana. Pero mayroon pang mango. Orange, apple po.
Ano?
Tapos melon po.
Apple.
Genevieve, pasis manda ma'am. Pasis da ma'am. Pay lang.
Okay, we would like to bring a happy birthday to Mrs. Armand.
Magkano po?
Genevieve, sa mga natin fruit
Apple.
shake. Fruit shake, apple. Ma'am, may table po kayo ma'am?
Wala.
Wala po. Walang po ako ng waiter niya.
Birthday to Ma'am Alma Mendoza Valdez. More blessings po, more happiness, and more health, good health from Travel Dua.